If your furniture tag shows an X-Clean code, stop and do not try to clean it yourself. X-Clean code means the fabric can only be cleaned with professional solvent-based methods, and water-based cleaning is not safe. Start by checking the manufacturer label for any additional guidance or a contact number, and note the fabric type and purchase date before you call a professional. When you contact a cleaner, ask specifically about their experience with solvent cleaning and whether they carry the appropriate low residue, furniture-safe solvents that will not damage dyes or backing. Prepare the piece by removing loose debris with gentle suction using an upholstery attachment on low power, and protect finishes and trim with masking tape where solvents might touch wood or metal. If the cleaner recommends spot testing, have them test a hidden area and observe for color change, shrinkage, or surface degradation for at least 24 hours before proceeding. For mild surface stains that do not penetrate the backing, ask the technician about dry foam or encapsulation products designed for special care fabrics, as these often leave less residue than heavy solvent methods. Always get a written estimate and a clear explanation of any post-cleaning care or waiting time before using the furniture again. Common mistakes start with trying to use water or household cleaners, which can set stains and melt backings, so stop and call a professional instead. Another frequent issue is hiring a general carpet cleaner who lacks training in solvent methods. Ask for references and specific experience with X-coated upholstery before they begin. A third concern is not protecting adjoining materials from solvent overspray, which can damage wood finishes and painted surfaces, so request protective masking and insist solvents are applied with controlled tools and containment. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors and cleaning professionals who list their services and specialties, so you can identify those experienced with special care fabrics. We also support contractors by connecting them with leads, and there is an active discussion community on the site where members share experiences, recommendations, and specific vendor feedback.